G'day everyone and welcome to Pickering. Now as you can see we're at the Pickering Castle today and it's quite a view to see here. Like I recommend coming here and checking it out if you come to Pickering. Now, this is in one of the towers around the castle. Now this one you can get into but there's others that you can't get into. Now it's quite dark in here but you get a sense of how it might have felt back when the castle was in its prime. It's really quite an experience to come in and see it. Now last night we got here and we stayed at the Beansheaf Hotel just outside of town. Now this town is really nice, like I love this place. It's quite a small town, quiet, and it's just got a nice homely feel to it. We went to a couple of bars last night, we had a look around. Now the Beansheaf Hotel is a good place to stay. There's no fridge but it's a bed and breakfast style, so they've got a restaurant and a bar and the staff are lovely and I recommend staying there. The town itself has, I think, 6,900 people or something living here. But they do get a bit of tourism, but it's not as bad as some of the places. Some of the other places nearby are just filled with tourists, and this place is just so nice. You feel at home here. You go in some of the bars you go into, and the locals there will just welcome you. It's just a lovely place, so I recommend it.